everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm here to do a share of a journal I completed. It has a Doctor Who theme to it. I made it for a teenage boy. So on the cover you see the police box, the infamous police box, and I edged it in gold. And there's some gold braid on the side, and I put his name on the spine. I think it came out super cute. On the back there's an image from the series. So I think it came out really cute. I think it measures like 9 by 6 or something. And I used 4 signatures, covered that papers as usual. And I'll list everything in the description box below. So inside, here's the inside cover. I struggled to find some masculine pages because most of my papers and kits and stuff are like very feminine, but luckily I found the Steampunk kit by Arty Maze, and I used that. And I had some papers, this one right here, I had in my stash, so I went ahead and used that. So I think it came out really cute. Some tabs, and just like some die cuts from the kit, cut aparts wherever they are. This is just like a little part that he can like write on. So I found some images online that are Doctor Who themed, and I think it came out so neat. I think he would really like it. I had fun doing this. Little tuck spot there, you can tuck in something. Some washi tape. That's the other thing. Most of my washi tapes are like pinks and sparklies and hearts and flowers, that kind of stuff. I think that's so cool. So I just kind of went through and tried to find like some neutral tapes, and I think I did pretty good. I think you can tuck in right there. I think this image is so cool. He's my favorite of all the doctors. So I hope everyone is doing well during this very strange, unprecedented time. There's no tuck spot right there. This is a little coin envelope. I don't think there's anything in there. Not sure. Anyway, I'm doing just fine. Here's my little card that gives all my info and stuff on there. I'm doing fine because I'm an introvert person, and I live in a very small town, so I don't go anywhere anyway. So this is business as usual for me. I just wish I could get my Prime deliveries earlier, but you do what you can. I thought that was pretty too. It's not like girly. Leaves are for everybody. Center of that signature, there's a little envelope there. You tuck something in. That top hat is so cool. And I used my decorative scissors across the top of all the pockets. Some book pages from an ephemera pack I purchased off of Etsy. Some of that paper I bought. I think it's a mulberry. In fact, I know it's mulberry paper. I can't speak. I get a lot of use from that. Anyway, this image is so cool too. This paper pad is really neat. I got it from Walmart, ironically. You would think they'd have really fabulous papers, but they do. And there's another awesome image there. And that was the end of the second signature. On to the third. This is cool too. I love cameras. I think most people probably do. And here's some, like a dictionary page. Right there, it'd be fun to read. It's a very vintagey journal. Need to make more of these. I saw a kit on someone's Etsy that I thought would be really cool for a book like this. if he was like older, if he was like an adult, I would have used it, but I thought it was much too mature for him because he's a child. I think he's like 16 or 17, so. But I think I did okay with what I had. I love skeleton keys. So there's plenty of room to write. Obviously, I did not go overboard decorating. I tried to make it look like a fun book someone would want to write in. Tried to keep a lot of space free. And I think I did a pretty decent job. This is so cool, old rotary phones. I remember that. I'm just that old. Oh, that wonderful paper. Stamping throughout, as usual. And what is this? This is a bit of book page there. There's a banner. There's banners throughout here and tags and tuck spots and envelopes. This is so cool. So many of these images are just really beautiful, I think. And she looks pretty cool. So hopefully he will have fun writing his thoughts in here. And I put his name on it because I think all kids like to have their name on things. All adults probably like to have their name on things. There's a please box again. Washi tape is cool. I don't think I've ever used that one before. The first female doctor. Woot woot. And that is the end. As I said, I think he'll like it. I know I enjoyed making it. So cute. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed that very quick flip through, and hopefully you will subscribe and like the video if you did like it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.